San Diego is facing a growing housing challenge, and short-term rentals, or STRs, are at the center of the debate. Supporters say STRs bring income to homeowners and boost tourism, but critics argue they make housing less available and drive up prices, changing the character of neighborhoods. To tackle this, San Diego introduced the STRO ordinance, which limits STRs to 5,400 units citywide, with stricter rules in some areas. Hosts must get licensed and follow clear policies, all aimed at preserving long-term housing. Still, not everyone is convinced. Unauthorized rentals persist, and some believe STRO doesn't address the deeper issue of affordable housing. Experts say better enforcement and stricter limits could help, but opinions remain divided. Moving forward, the city may need stronger enforcement, area-specific limits, and clearer public communication to truly balance the needs of residents and the tourism economy. San Diego's housing future depends on smart, fair solutions and how well we manage the impact of STRs.